Welsh's Galley.
This is my time dining. This is where passengers can come in whenever they like. We start at roughly about 6 o'clock, and we take reservations right the way through till 9:30. Tonight is lobster night.
This is one provision that Keith overstocks.
They might ask for more lobster and they will get it. Of course, satisfaction is the key here, so give them more lobster.
There will be no lobster left tonight at all, I can guarantee it. We get the occasional one where the tail's a bit soft or it's been bruised through transportation, so we discard them. But pretty much there's never any lobster left. It's always a mad dash at 9:30, 10 o'clock between the three galleys. Who's got the most lobster, who's got some left, and no, there's never any left. Same with the shrimp. And if there is, yes, I will devour them. I will eat them for once, you know, yeah.
The teams prepare for battle.
Up here tonight, I will probably do roughly about 900 to 1,000 lobsters. So we're roughly cooking about 70 to 80 lobsters at a time. We cook them, we slowly steam them with a little bit of herb butter for 8 minutes, and we distribute them onto the 3 lines.
With the troops in formation, the order to advance is given.
Normally, of a regular evening, we'd have a chicken, a beef, a fish line, but tonight we dedicate 3 lines solely for lobster. So I've sort of got 9 guys that are just dealing with the lobster tonight. It's our busiest one. We roughly have, tonight we've got, I think we're up to about 300 within the first hour. So it's going to be crazy for us. But we've got a good team up here. We all know what we're doing. And my job is to make sure the lobster goes out hot. It sits in its shell properly. The garnish is as we request it. The vegetables are hot, and the potatoes are hot, and the plates are clean. At one point, we could have 70 to 80 lobster away at the same time. Queues of waiters taking their lobster out. So.
True to prediction, the lobster goes down a storm. With the lobster successfully devoured, the crew are on the final stretch. For 7 days, a team of 250 chefs and an army of support staff have prepared, cooked and served their way through over 100 tons of food to provide every passenger with the culinary journey to remember. Time for Keith to check his remaining supplies.
The list was on spot. You know, right now we're looking great, as you can see. Most of what you saw on boarding days last Saturday, it's now gone. And currently what volume you are seeing here now is just what we will need for tomorrow boarding day, as well as should in case the ship is not able to go into port, we have sufficient item to sustain us for the next 2 days at sea or wherever. The real important basic item, the watermelon, the cantaloupe, the pineapple, some grapes, oranges, apples, the core items that the chef will require. Not the exotic items so much, but the main core items.
And tomorrow, he starts all over again.
6:30 in the morning, I do a quick walkthrough, make sure the temperatures of the fridges are okay, and we begin. Everything is in place, all the staff that is needed is in place and ready for the operation of loading. Yeah, takes place again tomorrow.
And in the galleys, they'll be doing the same, preparing another 7-day master feast for the next 6,000 passengers.
You can make people happy. So I think this is a nice thing to do.